Hi, this is Ranjeet. I'm head of sales capability and co-author of the book Winning It Together. This topic पे बात होगी that is very amazing, and let's talk about the job interview success. Some frequently asked questions and answers, and some surveys have shown that there are more than 90 questions that could be asked during a job interview. These in particular are asked most frequently during extended interview more than 20 minutes for a regular work a day a job. Always remember that in job interview it is not just what you say but how you say it that really counts. Your choice of words is powerful and can move job interviewers to more positive impressions by how you say it, what you say. Here no particular order are the answers to the most frequently asked questions during the job interview. तो अभी हमारे पास थोड़ा से जो क्वेश्चंस जो हमने आपके लिए यहाँ पर जॉट डाउन किए हैं उन क्वेश्चंस को हम देखेंगे. देन वी अंडरस्टैंड बेसिकली द नीड्स कि हमें आंसर्स क्या देने हैं और कैसे देने हैं. So there are basically two parts of giving the answers to the questions are the what part and the how part. The question number one, which position are you most interested in? अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मल्टीपल पोजीशंस होती हैं तो इंटरव्यूअर आपसे सवाल करता है कि आप किस पोजीशन के लिए इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं. तो जब आप इस तरह का सवाल का जवाब दे रहे हो तो जिसमें आपकी क्रीडेंशियल्स हो, आपकी डिग्री प्रोग्राम हो या जिसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट हो तो आप वही आंसर करेंगे. उसी के पे आपको फिक्स रहना है. इफ यू गिव यू मल्टीपल चॉइसेस, इफ यू शो योर मल्टीपल इंटरेस्ट, द इंटरव्यूअर का वहां पर इंटरेस्ट डाउन हो जाता है. तो यू हैव टू वेरी मच स्पेसिफिक अबाउट इट. When you're responding to an advertisement, the company will likely to know the position for which you have applied. Many times companies key their advertisement so when they are advertising for more than one position, they can identify the position for which you have applied. Most public services organization will have a specific job number with the job announcement. However, no matter what position for you may have applied, many companies have more than one positions to offer, and the interviewer is probably going to consider you for any position available based on your submitted resume and interview performance. Key to answering this question is to realize that different companies and organizations may call essentially the same positions by different job titles. Therefore, it is best if you answer the kind of a function you are interested in performing rather than a specific job title. Hence say I am interested in accounting or I'm good at accounting rather than I'm interested in the junior accountant position. Hope you've got an idea. अब अगली वीडियो में बात करेंगे सेकंड मिथ पे, सेकंड क्वेश्चन पे जो आपको आंसर करना है इन दी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जहां पर आप अप्लाई करते हैं. तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिए. मिलते हैं एक नए वीडियो के साथ. थैंक यू वेरी मच.